Problem number 3. 3 triangles next to each other. So the border must have the same colors. The filling, use a function with or without parameter. So the function will be a function that draws a single triangle, and then we call it 3 times with different colors. Let's use no parameters for now. So let's say the side length will be 100, so we need to repeat 3 times, so moving forward 100 pixels and turning in any direction by 120 degrees, and then we need to call it, well, once in red, once in green, once in blue. So we need to set pen color to be red and set the fill color to be red. And then we call triangle, and so the same thing in green and in blue. Yes, maybe some of you are already complaining that this is duplicate code. We'll get to that in a minute. Wait, that is blue. So let's see, this should work. Oh, it doesn't, so some things are missing. First of all, we forgot to move forward, no? And then also we need to turn 90 degrees at the beginning. So let's see, right 90, and between steps we need to move forward 100 pixels, copy, paste. Oh yes, and now the triangles are not filled because we need to start the path and fill the path. So this is starting to get crammed in here. Start the path, and then at the end fill the path, and then start the path again and fill the path, and then start the path and fill the path. This should do the trick. Yes, but you see that the program starts to become really not really readable. Well, we can at least separate the different parts. So now we see the first triangle, second triangle, third triangle. But even now we have lots of repetitions. So lots of these things here can actually be put into the function. So first of all, the start path and fill path, obviously. So start path and fill path can be put in here. Whoops. So we don't need it here. Whoops. Wait, I deleted a little bit too much. Yeah, now it looks nice. Still does the same thing. We can do even better, because now we have still a little bit of repetition in here. Well, red and red, but also these two lines get almost repeated the same way down here, so why not put them into the function as well? But for that the function has to know, well, the color. No? So we need to give it a color. So these two lines get put in here, and instead of red we give it the parameter that has been passed. So now we can just call triangle with the parameter red, delete this, put green, blue, and then these empty lines can be taken out. Yeah, now it looks really readable. Still does the same thing. The forward 100 is still duplicate, but it would not really be good to include it into the function triangle, because the function triangle, as its name suggests, simply draws a triangle. You might want it to use it in some other context where there's no moving forward or backward required. So logically, these parts here are outside of the functions. So, well, they do repeat a little bit, but they really are not logically part of the function.